Hi guys, good morning and welcome to one more live trading video. And today is 14th of August, Monday, and today's Fin Nifty expiry. Normally Fin Nifty expires on every Tuesday, but today Fin Nifty expiry because tomorrow is market is closed because of the Independence Day, market holiday tomorrow. So whenever market closes for some public holidays, then expiry will be one day before. So Tuesday is supposed to be Fin Nifty expiry. So in such time, Fin Nifty expiry will become one day prior. That means today is going to be Fin Nifty expiry. So before market opens, let us see the important levels where important support and resistance and what is my plan for today's Fin Nifty expiry. Let us start with the Nifty. Nifty, you can see that previous trading day last Friday opened with a bearish candle, and for the rest part of the day, Nifty stayed sideways. Today we have a kind of average CPR. And what is my plan today? My plan is that I am closely watching this level, previous day level. I'm closely watching in Nifty whether it breaks at the opening, and then I'll take the trade. That means if it opens with a bearish candle and breaking the first previous day low, immediately I will be shorting this candle without even waiting for any bounce until and unless it is a huge candle. So I will be closely watching this previous day low. If it breaks, then I expect price to go down, and next support is 19303 in Nifty. My bias is bearish, so I'll be most probably selling call option in Fin Nifty. But where I sell it, that depends on how market opens. So Nifty, I'll be closely watching this level. Either I'll short here or I'll short at the CPR. And Bank Nifty also, you can see that just like Nifty, it also made a kind of bearish candle, then stayed sideways. Here also in Bank Nifty also same thing. I'll be waiting for previous day low to be broken. If previous day low gets broken, then only I expect Bank Nifty to go downside. And Fin Nifty, anyways, Fin Nifty follows Nifty Bank Nifty chart. So same thing, Fin Nifty also I am closely watching this level. So Nifty support is this. After that, next support only around 19,303. So my expectation today that market might open breaking the previous day low, or even it can open below the previous day low. Then it can start going down and take some support somewhere S2 pivot on 19,303. And I expect it to stay sideways or make a recovery in the later. Okay. So that is the plan. Anyways, I'll come back at 9:15 and I'll explain my trade once I take the trades. Okay, guys, time is 9:15 and you can see that market has opened, and it opened with a big gap down, right? Big gap down. I was saying that previous day low is a strong level. So you can see that previous day it opened below the previous day low, right? So I was thinking that I'll short once previous day low broken, but it opened with a huge gap down. Opening below the previous day low, such cases I'll not short. I'll wait for some retracement. So when there is a huge gap down, I would not prefer to go short immediately. I would wait for some time. And Bank Nifty also, you can see that opened with a gap down below the previous day low, and Fin Nifty also opened below the previous day low. So that's why I prefer to wait for a retracement either back to previous day low or retracement back to 20 EMA. Okay, so that is what my plan is. Let us see. As of now, I have not taken any. Okay, guys, first candle closed, and you can see that Nifty first candle closed right at that strong support, which black line I was telling you, that strong support 19303. Exactly, that is where it closed. Let us see now next candle whether it makes a bounce or it goes down. And Bank Nifty also, you can see that taking support near the S2 pivot. Fin Nifty also taking support near the S2 pivot and that black line. So currently Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty all are at the strong support. So let us see whether from here it makes a bounce. Okay, guys, next update, you can see that I have still not taken any position. But what I'm thinking is that if this black line got broken, if the candle makes a bullish candle and closes above it, then I'm thinking about taking a long trade. If candle makes a bullish candle and stays above it, thinking about taking a long trade by selling the put option. I'm thinking about taking long because there is a chances that price can go all the way till the 20 MA or first candle high. That means you can see that my bias change. Morning I was saying that I'll short if this important level broken, but it opened big gap down. So now I can't short. Now I can short only if it comes near the resistance. So I'm thinking that since it is making a consolidation around this level, making a bullish pin bar and doji candle, if this candle breaks this black line, maybe I'll take a long trade by selling put option. And Bank Nifty also, you can see that after breaking the S2 pivot, it is trying to go above this pivot. So if it breaks and closes it, close above the pivot, then it's a bullish sign. And you can see that Nifty also making a consolidation. So the price action suggesting that it is sooner than later, it is likely to break that level. So what I'm thinking is that since Nifty, Bank Nifty looks like it is going to break that level, so I'm thinking about, okay guys, you can see that I placed the order and I've taken 800 quantity, 19,550 put option, average price is 44.10. So I've taken a small quantity. So let us see why I started a long position, because look at this. Bank Nifty is breaking that pivot point and trying to close above it. And you can see that Fin Nifty also closing above that black line and Nifty also closing above that line. Let us see how the trade goes. Looks like it is going at least till the 20 MA, and that is where it might take resistance. Let us see how the trade goes. Okay guys, next update, you can see that I have added to my position now. My position size is 1400 and my average price coming to 42. Okay guys, and the next update, you can see that trade is not working out and my trade is turning into loss. Right, I've taken 1400 quantity at average price of 42 and currently it is trading around 48 and loss is almost 10,000. And you can see that I have already kept my stop loss at 68. So this is my stop loss. If the trade doesn't work, then I will take my stop loss and I close the trade. Okay guys, and the next update, you can see that slowly my trade turning into profit. Trade was in minus sometimes back and now it is turning into profit. And what's happening on Nifty? Nifty again made a bounce from that black line. Bank Nifty also again trying to close above the pivot point. And Fin Nifty also making a bullish pin bar. Once it breaks that black line, then maybe again I'll start adding to my position and see what actually I've seen from today's live trading video, that how my bias changed, right? How my bias changed from bearish to bullish. In the pre-market analysis, I was bearish, saying that I will be selling call option, but I was looking for price to break this level so that I can short. But what happened? It opened with a huge gap down and I missed that opportunity to short this candle. Then what I've done, from bearish I became bullish because it was making a consolidation here in this range. Bank Nifty also, after breaking the S2 pivot, it was making a consolidation here. And you can see that Fin Nifty also was making consolidation. So when it is making a consolidation after a gap down, most of the time chances of price going up is higher. So that is why from bearish I became bullish and I started selling put option instead of selling call option. So that's why you should have a bias in the market before opening, but don't stick to that bias, because once market opens, price can open anywhere. After that, look at the price action and then decide your, okay. So that is what I have done. So let us see, Nifty is coming near the 20 MA resistance. This is where Nifty might face a resistance, and Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty both are away from the 20 MA. So it is interesting to see whether Nifty reverses from the 20 MA or Nifty make a breakout and start going up. If it makes a breakout and start going up, that is a very bullish sign. Let us see, we'll come to know in some time. Okay guys, and the next update, you can see that profit is almost 11,000 in this trade. And you can see that my position size also increased. Now my position is 1,800 quantity, average price is 41. Though Fin Nifty has not broken that black line, but it is showing strength near that black line. Look at this. Every time it's getting rejected from that black line, comes down, again makes a bounce. So whenever you see this kind of price action, then you should know that it's a bullish sign. That means every time sellers trying to push the price down, but buyers are not giving up. So that shows that eventually price is likely to break this black line and finally price is going to go up. Okay guys, and the next update, finally after a long battle between the buyers and sellers, since this candle, every time price was coming near that black line, it was getting rejected, right? It was getting rejected and sellers were not ready to allow price to go above that black line. And finally this green candle has closed above that black line, and which is a bullish sign. And you can see that now my position is in profit of almost 14, almost 15,000 profit in this trade. So now I'll add to my position, because as per my analysis now market is going up. If I get some retracement back to this black line, then again I'll add to my position. Currently my size is 1800. So I'm planning to add it again. Okay, guys, as I was telling in earlier update, I will add to my position on the retracement, and you can see that I have added to my position. Earlier quantity was 1800. Now quantity is 2200. And why I have added, you can see that I was telling you that if it makes a retracement back to this black line, I will add to my position, and it made a retracement back to that black line, and I've added to my position. So total, you can see that total 2200 quantity I have added. And you can see that I kept my stop loss also. You can see that my stop loss at 60. And what is my average price? Average price, you can see that average price is around 40. So that means 20 point stop loss. So I will be having a maximum risk of 44,000 in this trade if my stop loss hit, and maximum profit potential in this trade is 88,000. If the market start going up, then maximum profit potential is 88,000 and maximum risk is 44,000, which is exactly 1:2 risk reward, right? I have risked 1% to make profit of 2%. Anyways, let us see how the trade goes. Okay, guys, next update, profit is almost 22,000 in this trade. Actually, what's happening on the chart, you can see that I was telling you that this 20 MA will be strong resistance for Nifty, Bank Nifty, and both are coming near the 20 MA, especially Bank Nifty coming near the 20 MA. So this will be big resistance today. If it breaks, then there can be a big move. Otherwise, there can be total reversal from the 20 MA. And Fin Nifty also, after taking support near that black line, it's going up and coming near the 20 MA. More than Fin Nifty 20 MA, I am closely watching Bank Nifty and Nifty 20 MA, because that will be make or break level. From here, anything can happen. Okay, guys, now you can see that my profit has come down. Earlier, it was in more than 25,000 profit. Now it has come down. The reason is, you can see that as I was telling you that 20 MA will be strong resistance, and exactly that is where Fin Nifty started taking resistance. Bank Nifty made a breakout, but again it started reversing, and Nifty also started reversing from the 20 MA. So that is what 20 MA can be very strong resistance when it is sloping. Okay, guys, and the next update, you can see that profit is now more than 40,000 in this trade, around 43,000 profit. And what's happening, you can see that Fin Nifty made a big breakout from 20 MA. Bank Nifty also made a big breakout from the 20 MA, and Nifty also, you can see that going aggressively in a strong uptrend. As I was telling you in my earlier update also, that once 20 MA is broken, you can expect a huge move on the upside, and that is what happening. Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, once it has broken 20 MA, it's giving a big move. So next resistance will be only till the first candle high, and profit is more than 40,000 in this trade. Okay, guys, and the next update, you can see that now profit is more than 50,000, almost 52,000 profit in this trade. And what's happening on the chart? Look at this. After breaking the 20 MA, there is no stopping for Fin Nifty. It is only having next resistance at the next pivot and first candle high. Remember, once if it breaks this level, this red candle high, first candle high gets broken, then just remember there will be huge move on the upside all the way till the CPR. You can expect a very huge move if this level high and this also gets broken. Why? Because today market opened with a huge bearish candle, right? And people started taking aggressive position, looking at this bearish candle, thinking that market will make a big down move. And what is their stop loss? Their stop loss is above this candle, right? That is why they have a stop loss. And what is that stop loss? That is buy position. So there is a huge buy order here. So that is what looks like Nifty trying to come and take all the buy orders. And once buy order triggers, you can expect a huge move on the upside. That is what it looks like as of now. Okay, guys, and the next update, you can see that profit is almost 65,000 in this trade. And what's happening on the chart, you can see that as I was telling you that Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, everything looking very bullish, and looks like Nifty is eventually going to break this first candle high, because there are many traders who have stop losses above this candle, which is a buy order. So chances of breaking is higher, but you should never think like 100% it will happen. Sometime it can get a strong rejection also, because sellers will not allow you easily to take their stop loss, right? What the sellers will do, they will try to push the price again on the downside. So you should not be overconfident this is going to break. It can reverse also. So you should be ready for both. And sometimes what can happen, it can get rejected, come down, again it can go back, second attempt it can break it. That also happens sometime. So let us see today what happens, whether it will be successfully breaks in the first attempt or it get rejected. Okay, guys, next update, and you can see that profit is almost 70,000 in this trade. It's almost 70,000 in this trade. And what's happening on the chart, you can see that I was telling you that when last time price was coming here, it looks like it's going to break that level, but sometimes what happens, it may get reversal from there, and after that again it may try in the second attempt, and then again it can try to break. It's not that every time it comes and immediately it breaks. Sometimes it can get rejected, and sometimes it again can come back second time to break that level. So that is what happened after my last update. It almost went near that level and started getting rejected and started coming down, and then again it started taking support near the 20 MA, and again it is making a bullish sign to go back to this high. Okay, so that is the update. Okay, guys, and the next update is profit is around 72,000 in this trade. And what's happening is that Nifty at the strong resistance where it got rejected earlier, right? Earlier, it went near the first candle high and immediately it got rejected. And now look at this. It is again retesting that level where it got rejected. Now we have to see this time whether it breaks this. Look at the green candle. It's almost closed with a bullish flat top. So it's a bullish sign. Let us see whether next candle also stays bullish and breaks this black line. So this is the candle. We'll come to know what will happen next. Okay, guys, next update. Look at this. It almost touched that black line, which I was telling you, that strong resistance. And now we'll see whether it will be successfully close above it or below it. Anything can happen. So this is a make or break level. We'll come to know in some time whether it breaks or no. Okay, guys, finally candle closed and it's a proper breakout. It's a proper breakout. Look at the candle size, full body green candle. This is a pure breakout. And look at my profit. Profit is now more than 80,000, and that option is trading around 3 rupees. And I think it is time to square off the position, because Nifty made a breakout, but Nifty have another resistance here. So again, it can face resistance and again reverse, or it can go up. Anything can happen. And I think it is time for me to square off the position. Okay, you can see that I have squared off both the position. And that's it about today's FinNifty expiry. And total profit today in FinNifty is 80,710 is the total profit. And let us look at the order book. You can see that first I have added 800 quantity, then 600, then 400 and 400. Total I have added, how much? Total I have added 2,200 quantity. And as trade was going in my direction, I kept on adding to my position. And finally, around price of around 3 rupees, I squared off the position. And total profit in FinNifty is today 18,710 in today's expiry. So that's it, guys, about today's live trading in FinNifty. Today you have learned one of the important lessons, that it is true that you should have a view on the market before market opens, whether you are going to go long or short. But same time, after market opens, if price action is not supporting, then you should be flexible to change your view. You should not stick to only one view. Today morning I was saying in pre-market analysis I am bearish in the market, but you can see that after market opened, first candle made such a huge bearish candle that risk reward was not good to short immediately in the first candle. So that's why I decided to wait for some more time for the price action confirmation. And what I have seen, that after that bearish candle there was a consolidation for some time in Nifty, Bank Nifty, FinNifty. So that gave me confidence that there is no follow up. It looks like it is going to go up, and then instead of going short, I started going long by selling put option, and I made profit of almost 80,000. So that is what in day trading you should have a view about the market, but you should also be flexible enough to change your view. And the strategy which I applied today is called extreme candle reversal pattern.
This is one of the strategy which we discuss in day trading webinar. In our day trading webinar total we discussed 25 strategies, and this is one of the strategy. Extreme candle reversal pattern mean when the first candle opens with a huge bullish or huge bearish candle, and after that if there is no follow up, then we take the opposite trade. That means if it opens with a huge bearish candle and there is no follow up, then instead of going short, we will go long expecting price to go back to day side. That is what I have done in today's trading, and that is what we discuss in our day trading webinar. If you are interested to learn more about my day trading strategies, then you can check the link below about my day trading webinar. If you are interested, you can contact me on WhatsApp or email, and you can enroll for my upcoming webinar. Other than that, I have launched a scalping course, that is 1 minute scalping strategy in Nifty Bank Nifty. That link also you can check below this video. If you are interested, you can purchase that course. So that's it guys about today's video. I'll see you soon with a new video. Until then, bye and take care.